welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be doing a PR haul. This is going to be my first PR haul of 2019. We've taken a little bit of a break, but I'm ready to get back into it. So if you guys want to see what I got in PR, go ahead and keep on watching. Take a little bit of a break with the PR hauls, but we are back to regular PR hauls now every single Friday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have so many packages here that I've waited to show you guys that I haven't opened yet, and I'm really excited to get into some of these. So the first one came over from the Makeup Drop, and I'm not exactly sure what this is. It sounds familiar, but I don't know off the top of my head what this is. I'm thinking it's a sponge, yes. Okay, so this is the Makeup Drop Hybrid Silicone Pad Blending Sponge. Whew, that sounds interesting. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna actually take it out of the thing here so I can see kind of what it feels like. It says it's a silicone sponge, so I don't know if it's like one of those like silicone, you remember those things that came out that everyone was using? I'm not sure if that's what this is gonna feel like because it is a sponge shape. Okay, so this is really weird. So it does kind of feel like a regular sponge here, but then here we have like this little like rubber kind of spot. I'm really curious to try this out. That's interesting. And then also inside of here we have this little mini. This is like one of those little mini makeup ones. These are the ones that I was talking about, like these silicone ones. I'm not a huge fan of those, but I'm definitely curious to try out this one. So that is what we have inside of here. And then there's also this really, really cute bag in here from the Makeup Drop. This is like a holographic bag. That's really fun. So thank you so much to Makeup Drop. I'm excited to try this one out and see how it performs. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. So this next box I'm getting into came over from Covergirl, and we have this nice little tube right here that says Covergirl on it, nice and red. So let's go ahead and see. So it says Active Action Pack, Fuel on the top, Beauty on the bottom. I don't know why I had such a hard time opening that, but we have on top some snacks, it looks like, from Quest. This is a Quest protein cookie, and then we also have a birthday cake. Ooh, this is like a protein bar that's flavored like birthday cakes. That's awesome. So this is on the top here, so some snacks. And then on the bottom, we have some products. So first up, I see like some little, everything is so squished in here. Ugh, it's hard to get everything out. Okay, so the first thing that we have is the Get In Line Active Liquid Liner. So here's what that one looks like. I'm assuming this is supposed to be like a waterproof liquid liner that you can use when you work out. And then we have the Lash Blast Active Mascara. Me and my husband actually recently just joined the gym again, so this stuff is gonna come in handy. It's so hard to get back into like the groove of going to the gym. We used to go all the time, and then we just kind of stopped, and now it's just trying to get myself back into it. And then we have the Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. It says all day wear. So like a setting spray or like a refreshing spray that you can use before the gym or after. And then the last thing in here, not in here, but some cute little hair ties that have like lips. We have a pizza one, I Love New York. These are cute, so just some little hair ties. And then we have a little card here explaining the products. So these are going to be 24-hour wear, and they are supposed to be active products, like I said. And then we have something here from Quest as well, so some of their little treats. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, Quest, and thank you, Covergirl, for this package. So the next box here came over from Teddy Blake, and I already peeked in this one because I was too excited. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to choose a purse from their website. I said yes. If you guys do not know, I love purses. God, when I was little, I used to collect them, and I used to have so many purses, but they let me choose whichever one I wanted. So I chose this one here, which is so, so pretty. So this is called the Sutra Sylvia Black, and this is the small version, and it's super, super pretty. I especially love the chains on here. I also love that it is like a quilted, like a velvet. It feels super, super luxurious. You have the little snap here in the front. On the inside, you also have like this little bag here to use to store the purse, which I think is really nice because a lot of times, you know, you don't want these, like, especially a quilted purse, like I'm worried about hair on it. I'm really impressed with the quality so far. I especially love the chain, and what's really cool is it has these slots right here, because at first I was like, well, this is a short purse, like you can only wear it over the shoulders, But what's actually really cool is these go down like this. You can actually wear it as a crossbody as well, and the other chain just kind of sits there. So that's really nice that you can kind of make it different lengths. I think that's really cool, and I love how easy it is. You just literally pull it up, and then it's back to this length. And then the inside, it looks really spacious. It has a nice few pockets in there. So there's a pocket right here and then a zipper here. So far I am really impressed with the quality. It looks really, really nice. And thank you to Teddy Blake for sending this over. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated on how it's like holding up and everything. But so far, this feels really, really nice. So up next, we have something from Global Care Beauty. So it looks like we have two different new metallic masks. So the first one is a charcoal and volcanic ash mask. This one is like a silver one. And then we have this one here, which is a collagen and CoQ10. I'm not sure what that is, but it says it has hyaluronic acid. And this one is like a really fun pink one. So I really enjoy Global Beauty Care's products. They are a more affordable like skincare brand, and I love a lot of their masks. So I'm excited to try these out. Plus, I always love doing like fun masks like these. I feel like they just make skincare so much more fun. So thank you guys for sending these. I'll definitely have to try them out soon. Next up, we got this big old box here from SHANY Cosmetics, and I haven't gotten anything from them in a long time, so I'm excited to see what is inside of here. All right, so I am pulling this out here, and what do we have inside of here? So it says, here's a little something to help you celebrate the season, to say thank you for being a part of the SHANY Nation. We love having you and can't wait to see what 2019 has in store for us. I think we got some alcohol. Okay, so it has a SHANY thing on here, and let's see what's inside of here. Okay, so we have, so they sent over a bottle of wine. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, but it looks like a darker wine. This is what it says down here. I'm not exactly sure exactly what this is, but I'm excited. Thank you so much, SHANY Cosmetics. This was really sweet of them to send this over. I was confused for a second because I was like, what the heck is in here? It's heavy, but this is really sweet. Thank you guys so much. The package we have here is from QUEBELLA, and it looks like they are stocking me up with some masks. I love QUEBELLA's face masks, and there are a ton in here. Holy cow. Okay, so we have in here, oh, I just dropped half of them on the floor. We have the Deep Cleansing Bamboo Charcoal Mask. We have some of their Ultra Hydrating. These are their Birch, ooh, these are new, Birch Bee Moisture Balm Mask. We have the Plumping Gold Peel Mask. We have a bunch of those. Lime and Mint Gel Scrub Peel Mask. That sounds really nice. And then we have the Pineapple Peel Off Mask. Oh my gosh, they have so many new ones. And we also have the Avocado Clay Mask. And if you guys don't know, QUEBELLA, they sell them at Target, and they are really, really affordable masks. They're really, really nice for the skin. Let me grab the ones I dropped. So a few more. We have the Rose Hip Oil Mud Mask, and then we also have this one here, which is the Blueberry Peel Off Mask. All of these sound super, super interesting, so I will definitely be giving a bunch of these a try. This one says it's for toning, the blueberry one. I'm excited about all of these, so thank you so much, QUEBELLA. We have something from Rimmel London up next. So we have two different things in this box here. So the first thing is one of their Magnificent Eyes. This is the Spice Edition eyeshadow palette. I actually have one of their palettes on my eyes right now. I have the Magnificent Eyes. This is the Electric palette. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes, and I really, really liked it. So this is nice to have the Spice one. I think I might already have this one though. I'm not 100% positive, but it has really nice like neutral tones in here. And then they also sent over the Stay Satin. This is a liquid lip color. This one is in the shade Rogue. Look at how pretty that one is. It's like a deeper red shade. Really, really nice. Thank you so much to Rimmel London. You guys know I love them, so this was very sweet of them. You guys can probably hear Nova like running around. If you guys don't know, I got a new puppy. This is Nova. She is literally getting into all these boxes, so I'm going to see if she's going to sit on my lap, because I keep hearing her going around. But the next package I have here came over from Benefit, and it looks like, what is this? Okay, let me pull this out. So it says, thanks for spilling the tea on the Benefit Club Pink. Here's a small token of our appreciation. We're so happy that you are a VIP Pink. Okay, so they sent over this cute little bag. It says, Arch You're Gorgeous, with like a little brow bag. Hi. And so this is just like a little makeup bag that I can use. This is really cute. Benefit has such cute like little products. I love their little sets too, but this is a nice just like little bag. Thank you, Benefit. Okay, so we just have a few more packages to get through. This next one is from Private Society Cosmetics. It's a really nice box. I've never tried out anything from them, so this is gonna be my first time trying their products. Ooh, this looks really nice though. The presentation of this looks really pretty. Here's like the inside of that. So let's see what they are all about. On this little sheet right here, it says that they did give me a coupon code, so it's Molly. If you guys want to try out anything from them, you can receive 15% off. So the first thing here is the Girl Boss palette. I love it when brands do this like thing right here. I think it's so cool. Ooh, really cute packaging. So it says Girl Boss here, and then it has like that little emblem thing right here. And ooh, actually this is really pretty. Look at the inside. It says PS, invest in yourself. I love that. Look at the inside of this palette. That looks really, really nice. Let me swatch a few of the shades. We actually haven't really swatched anything today. I feel like we got a lot of skincare stuff. These shimmers feel really, really nice. Ooh, pretty. So here are a few of the swatches from that palette. It looks really pigmented. That looks really nice. All right, so let's see what else. So we have the Glow Getter palette. So this one's gonna be like a highlighting palette. They are winning with the packaging right now. Ooh, this looks really pretty too. So here is the Glow Getter palette, and I want to swatch some of these. Ooh, they feel really buttery. They feel really nice. So I'm gonna swatch a few of the highlighters. Look how pigmented those look. I'm really excited about this brand right now. Look at those highlights. Ooh, I'm super stoked. I love trying and finding like new brands that are up and coming. I really haven't heard of them before, so I'm not sure how big of a brand they are, but this is really, really nice. I am also gonna try out some of these lip products. So in here we have the lip, this is the Lip Service Long Lasting Lip Liner. We also have in here an On Point, ooh, they have brow products. This is a brow definer. Let's see what this looks like. So here is the brow definer. So it's just gonna be like one of those angled brow pencils, and then I'm assuming it has a spoolie. Yes, a spoolie on the other side. So they sent over the shade medium brown, so that should be perfect. Also inside of here we have a Lipology Gloss Boss. Stunning packaging for this lip gloss. Again, you can see my cat running across my backdrop here. It's just like a zoo at my house, you guys, nowadays. But here is the lip gloss. Ooh, this is pretty. It's just like a nude, like a deeper nude shade. Here is that swatch. I really like the applicator on this as well. And then we have a few other products in here. So we have another lip. This is another one, but this is a liquid lipstick. Looks like a mauve shade. And then we also have in here Drops of Perfection. This is the buildable foundation. Awesome. So they have foundation as well. Really looks like they have like a whole line of products. So let me pull out the foundation. It is just like a dropper. And they sent me the shade medium, so I'll have to give this one a try. And then the last thing in here is they also have a concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. I might do like a full face on their products. What do you guys think? We could do like a first impressions on everything, because they really sent me quite a lot of products and I'd love to try them out more. This concealer is in medium, so let me know if you guys want to see like a full face with their products. I feel like they gave me quite a bit, so I could definitely do that. And thank you so much to Private Society. These look really, really great. I'm really excited to try them all out. All right, and we have one last package here to get into. I am not sure who this is from, so let me open it up and we will find out. Okay, so this is from the Makeup Academy, MUA Makeup Academy. I also have never tried anything from them before, but this box actually looks really, really nice. So I think it's one I'm gonna have to pull out. Okay, so first up on the top here, it says, "'Tis the season to be glam." And on top we have a set of false eyelashes. This is the Ultra Fine Lash Kit. So we have some lashes and then like a little lash tool. We also have a eyeshadow palette. This is the Metallic Nude eyeshadow palette, which looks really pretty, really natural. Also in here we have some of their No Crease eyeshadow base. We have, what is this? So this is a Amp Up Adjustable Impact Mascara. So we have a mascara. There's so many products in here. Okay, so we have a Under Eye Illuminator. That sounds really interesting. And then we also have this one here, which is an Amp Up Your Eyes Dual Ultimate Eyeliner as well. So then next in here we have this makeup correction pen. This seems really cool. It says removes eyeshadow fallout and also cleans up smudged lipstick for a perfect pout. That seems awesome. And then what else do we have in here? This one here is just a gel color liner as well. Let's try and kind of show you guys. But there's like 3 different tiers here. So let me see what else we have. A bunch of lip products in here. So the first one here is, this is the blush, and this is, I'm not sure if this is a lipstick or a lip liner, but we have that. Everything is kind of dusty in here though. I'm not sure if it's because of like the little things in here, but everything's kind of dusty. And then next up we have this lipstick right here. We also have this lip like pencil thing. This is like a lip crayon. And then we have a few different tube lipsticks as well. So a bunch of different colors of those. And then on the bottom tier, we have this brush. So this is a double-ended contour and highlighting brush. That looks really nice. We have an illuminating powder here. And we also have inside of here, this is the highlighting palette. And then we also have a bronzing palette as well. And there are a couple more things. So we also have the mattifying primer. So we have a primer from them. And I think that is everything. So definitely a lot of products from this brand as well. Like I said, this is a new brand to me. I haven't tried out anything from them. So let's go ahead and swatch this eyeshadow palette just because we haven't swatched any of their products. I almost have enough for a full face of their products as well. So if you guys want to see like a full face using the MUA professional products, let me know. I've also never really heard of this brand, so I'm not exactly sure how the quality will be, but if it's anything like the last one, their quality was really, really nice. So let's go ahead and do a couple of swatches here. So this looks like it's like an all shimmer palette. Looks really pretty. Here are some of the swatches there. And then we have a bunch of lip products and everything like I said. So again, let me know if you guys want to see a like full face using their products. I'm really excited to try out some of these new brands. It's really awesome. Alright you guys, after that is going to do it for this PR unboxing and haul. Big thank you to all of the brands who sent over products this week. We had a ton of really great new brands to try out. Let me know, of course, in the comment section what items you guys want to see like in a first impressions, or like I said, we have enough to do some dedicated videos. If you guys want to see any, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.